Istanbul Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world, serving millions of passengers each year. Navigating through the airport can be a daunting task, especially for first-time visitors. To ensure a smooth Istanbul Airport transfer experience, follow these tips. Plan ahead, research transportation options from the airport to your destination, and book in advance if possible. Allow plenty of time. Istanbul traffic can be unpredictable, so make sure to leave early to avoid missing your flight. Use official taxi services. Be wary of touts offering cheap rides, as they may overcharge or take you on a longer route. Consider public transportation. Istanbul has a reliable metro and tram system that can take you to various parts of the city. Stay informed. Check for any updates or delays on your flight or transportation options before you travel. By following these tips, you can have a smooth and stress-free Istanbul Airport transfer experience.